dynamism coming to the power sector now, power grid. What is happening is that we are being challenged by the new situations each and every day, and the situation emerging in the power grid of the country is that because of the continuous infusion of the variable renewable energy, we are having a situation where a lot of technical difficulties in operating the grid successfully and smoothly are being experienced by the grid operators. The generators are being asked to back down sometimes. Sometimes they are being asked to step up the generation despite the difficulties on the GenCo's part. Then DISCOMs have their own difficulties arising out of the the big infusion of RE power. So all these things put together, research called for a great debate on the energy storage need. And for the last almost couple of years, we have been having within the government a lot of meetings, a lot of discussions, deliberations on this particular aspect of promoting the energy storage in the country. Now, as we know that today we have almost 1/4 of the total capacity of the grid as the renewable capacity coming from the sources like wind, solar, primarily. And next year, I think will be almost more than 1/3 of the total grid capacity coming from variable renewable energy sources. And this will be more than half of the grid capacity by the year 2030. So the way we are expanding and the way we are going to grow in the field of renewable energy, it's the time that we immediately start thinking on the kind of policy framework which needs to be supported to promote the energy storage, the kind of technological advancements which have to take place to push these energy storage technologies, and also the kind of demand management which has to be exercised in the grid. So all these issues are now being widely discussed within the government, and there are groups and subgroups being formed by the government, and we have had plenty of discussions on this. And now we are trying to compile a good policy document so that we can encourage this energy storage mechanisms within the country. For the purpose, we have tried to study, the kind of pattern of renewable power infusion in the grid of other countries, the kind of difficulties they have faced, and the kind of policy framework they have introduced to push this energy storage mechanism in their respective grids. We have also studied the future demand scenario of our country, the future power mix also. We have tried to, zero in on the forecast every year, and the kind of trajectory it will take, in case of each and every resource, energy resource. So all these things have been studied widely, and then now we are almost ready to prepare a final draft on the policy and the kind of other dispensations which need to come from the government side, and we are trying to suggest to the government on this energy storage mechanism. Now, I find this forum as one of the best forum because of the power sector professionals who have been connected with this. And I would like to take advantage of these experts to further understand the nitty-gritty of these issues. And also, let us first listen the speakers who have been earmarked for this particular session. And as soon as every speaker finishes the presentation, I would open the house for the question answers and the discussions also. And I would also invite the experts who have been connected with this to put forward their views so that we can take note of those views and then finally try to incorporate these views whenever we find an opportunity to do so. So the first presentation, what I see here